Have you ever wondered if your blood type should dictate what you eat? It's a fascinating concept, claiming that your blood type can determine which foods are beneficial or detrimental for your health. This theory, known as the blood type diet, suggests that each blood type, A, B, AB, and O, has its unique characteristics and metabolic processes. The idea is that certain foods harmonize better with specific blood types, while others may cause disruptions in your body's balance. Let's delve a little deeper into the principles of this diet according to each blood type. If you have blood type A, this diet suggests that you might benefit from a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. It recommends you to limit your intake of red meat and dairy products. Those with the blood type B, on the other hand, are said to thrive on a varied diet that includes fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and certain types of meat, while grains and legumes might not be as beneficial. If you're of the AB blood type, you're believed to be somewhat of a combination of types A and B. You might thrive on a diverse range of foods, with only a mild restriction on certain types of meat and dairy. Finally, for those with blood type O, the diet suggests that a diet rich in meat, fish, vegetables, and fruit would be most beneficial, while grains and dairy might need to be limited. While the blood type diet presents an intriguing approach to nutrition, it's crucial to remember that the decision to follow it should be yours and yours alone. Be informed, do your research, and consult a specialist before making any drastic changes to your diet. Remember, healthy eating is based on balance, variety, and individuality. What works for one person might not work for another. We hope this exploration into the world of blood type nutrition has been enlightening. Remember, the journey to health is a personal one, and the most important thing is to find what works best for you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.